Welcome again to another episode of NL Grease Monkey Garage. It's Saturday here hanging out in the Grease Monkey Garage. Got my good buddy Roger here with me.
What's that? Benches. Hey!
Word up. Anyway, the project here today is, what year is this, Raj?
01.
2001.
Well, actually, this year is 2019.
It's
a 2001
Smart ass. 2001 Sportster, originally 883. A couple of years ago in Roger's garage, we stripped down the engine and we changed it over to 1200cc. Thing's an absolute beast. My Softail is a 1450. This thing walks away from it. I don't think a stock 1200 is anywhere close. Carbureted. Roger had a little bit of a rack bike thing on the go and worked like a top, but a little rough around the edges for the look. So the plan now for the rest of the winter, going to strip this down. Everything going back on it is either going to be replaced, polished, or painted. She's going to get the shine. And anyway, we'll document it on our way through, and take some pictures for the Instagram page, NL Grease Monkey Garage, and scattered video for the YouTube page. So, like always, like my video, subscribe to the page, helps me a lot, and
send cash.
No Patreon yet, but it's coming. We're really small.
Open for sponsors.
We're a small deal, right? So anyway, things are going to grow, hopefully. If not, we're still going to keep wrenching, having a laugh. And in any case, that's it. We'll keep you updated. Peace out.
Bomb it.